How's it going, everybody? Friends and fanatics, Fred the Fanboy here, back again today with another reaction video. This time we have MLP, Friendship is Magic, Season 8, Episode number 23, Sounds of Silence. Now, that is obviously a reference to, that song, Hello Darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again. You know that song, but that's obviously a reference to that song. Where we last left off, we had the Tree of Harmony capturing the students and trapping them underground. Now we're on to Sound of Silence. Now, I'm not exactly sure what that means, so I guess I'm just gonna go right into this one. So, on that note, let's get started. 3, 2, 1, play. Hey guys, before this video starts, I just want to give a quick spoiler warning. Please note that this is a blind reaction series, and please don't hint at any spoilers. Please don't directly say any spoilers. Let me enjoy the series fully blind, as I do not want to know what happens in upcoming seasons. However, some little tips and tricks and cool information are always welcome, like maybe little tidbits and stuff like that. Anyway, no spoilers, because Fred has binoculars, and he sees your sins. Alright, you guys, here we go.
You two are going on a friendship quest. This is amazing!
A friendship quest? Oh, another Fluttershy and Applejack episode.
What do you mean, Twilight? We've been on one together before.
Yeah,
Exactly.
in Las
This is the
Pegasus.
first time the map has teamed up the same ponies for a second quest.
Really?
Is special.
Must be because we're extra good at solving friendship problems.
I hope so, because it looks like this one might be a little tricky.
Where is it?
To the Peaks of Peril. The Peaks of Peril?
Peaks of Peril? Have they mentioned that before, or am I just forgetting something?
It's just a name. It doesn't mean anything.
Like how Cloudsdale is in the clouds, and the Crystal Empire is made of crystal?
Fair
Yeah,
point.
fair
So,
point.
What can you tell us about the place, Twilight?
Only what Rockhoof told me. Back in his day, no pony knew much about the Peaks of Peril, except for the legend on this ancient ship.
That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool that now Rockhoof is playing a role. Because now Twilight has a resource to get information that she otherwise wouldn't know. Right? So that's pretty cool that Rockhoof is getting more of a role in all of this. Also, that's a really cool shield design.
It says, a group called the Kirin used to live there, known for their kindness and truth-speaking.
Now we know why the map called us.
Unfortunately, other creatures also live there. The Nirik, fearsome beasts of pure fire. Oh, maybe you should go instead of me, Twilight. Sorry, Fluttershy. Flanks don't lie.
I'm sure the two of us will get that friendship problem solved no matter what kind of creature has it.
Oh, Fluttershy, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Fluttershy. Why? Okay, so we're going to the Peaks of Peril, which I'm 99% sure has not been mentioned before. Or if it has, I've totally forgotten. Which happens a lot. I forget a lot of things. It's weird. Some days my memory works okay, and other times, nah. So, I don't know. But, guess we're gonna have to find out, aren't we? I was very close to hitting that thing. It just goes right back. Just backs it up.
Yes, no pony else is going out as far as we are.
Maybe they know something we don't.
Now, Fluttershy, I've told you a dozen times. There's no
Who's that?
escape.
I'm sorry.
You really startled us.
Oh, it's just that I
That looks like a pony version of Grandpa Gruff.
got used used to seeing any pony taking the train to the end of the line. The final destination. The last stop.
Thank.
We get the picture. Why?
Nothing but uncharted terrain and wild beasts out that way.
That is very unsettling. That is very unsettling. Like, am I the only one that feels unsettled by that?
Well, maybe there's a little something to be scared of.
Yeah, now even Applejack's shaking in her boots. Oh wait, she's not wearing boots. Thanks. I'm sorry.
Those must be the Pig's apparel. Whew. Tough going, huh, Fluttershy? Fluttershy?
Where's Flutter? Where'd Fluttershy go? Now Applejack has to go all the way back to get her. Oh. Oh, man.
There. That should be enough flowers to keep your tree cozy.
Fluttershy? What are you doing? This is no time for visiting varmints. We're on a friendship quest, remember?
Yes, but actually...
Come on! We're burning daylight!
I know, but what I found out is that...
Now we gotta get up that peak. I figured
Applejack looks very frazzled right now.
Applejack! Can you please listen to me? What I'm trying to say is, the squirrels told me a shortcut they take to the Kirin village.
A village? Up there?
Oh. Sorry, Fluttershy.
That's what happens when Fluttershy uses her big girl voice. Man, she's really stepped up.
Suppose I got a little too caught up in the adventure.
That's all right. If you hadn't come back to get me, I probably would have talked to the squirrels all day.
Aw. Oh, wow. This is like something straight out of Japan.
Show yourself!
Oh my. Those look like the Sphinx and the lion all mixed into one.
And this here's Fluttershy.
If you have any friendship problems, we're here
Awkward. Awkward.
Huh. Quiet bunch, ain't they?
Yeah.
We're from Equestria, and we're plumb tickled to meet y'all.
What are they? What
So, what are your names?
are they getting ready to kill someone or what? What is?
Applejack, Fluttershy. Remember?
Maybe they don't understand us.
Do you understand Ponish?
No. Oh, they do, but they're not talking.
You don't speak?
Don't or won't?
Will you excuse us for a moment? You have to ask yes or no questions, or they won't answer.
Like talking to Angel Bunny?
Not exactly. I can always tell what Angel is feeling, but these Kirin don't show anything.
Well, how are we gonna solve a friendship problem if none of them will tell us what it is?
I think you... I think Fluttershy needs to take the reins on this one.
Brighter than an apple blossom on snowfall. Still, there's gotta be some way to make them speak.
Or maybe another way to get them to...
Beautiful day, ain't it?
Or maybe another way to get them to communicate besides speaking. Like maybe sign language or something.
There? Police! Police who? Please say something.
That was a horrible pun. That was a horrible joke.
Oh, I feel a sneeze coming on. Achoo!
Okay, Applejack, you're not helping.
Don't any of y'all talk?
Why are you?
Now we're getting somewhere.
A dark, spooky path that leads into unknown territory?
I'll tell you what, Sugar Cube. You stay and see if you can get anything out of these here Kirin. I'll go try and find one that talks.
Phew. Be careful. And watch out for Nerix!
Watch out for Nerix. Oh yeah, the other thing, right. Okay, time for Fluttershy to be nice and awkward. Aw, just a little squirrel.
Yeah! Oh, have you seen a Kirin that talks? Any idea where I should look? Oh, for the love of Celestia! Can't you just say something?
Gotcha! Sorry, but that was too good. Oh, you don't know how much I miss jokes. Hilarity. Am I pronouncing that right? Some words I haven't said in a while. Hi, I'm Autumn Blaze. You've
Who is that? Who is that?
just arrived, and perhaps you're tired or hungry or reflective and want to sleep and eat and journal, which you should do, of course. But first, oh, what joy to talk with another creature. It's been so long. You must tell me everything about you. There's so much to say, so much to do. Oh, look at me. I'm going on, and you haven't seen... I mean, have you seen... What am I saying? Of course you haven't. So just, I will just follow me.
What?
That was something, all right.
Oh, is that why this is called Sound of Silence? Because nobody talks, but she does?
Wow. This is amazing.
That reminds me of Pride
Think
Rock.
so, too? The way the light shimmers off everything, like it all suddenly woke up the moment you saw it, and you realize maybe the water and the mountains and the forests and the rainbow and the stars in the sky are all looking back at you thinking the same thing, that we are a part of the everything. That maybe there's just one thing and we are all it.
I
Wow.
was gonna say...
She's really a poet.
But, yeah.
And this is just the first stop on a journey of amazing things to see, smell, tiptoe through. Oh, I haven't been able to share all of this with any pony in forever since they all took that vow of silence. So it's a lot for me to, process, deal with.
Whoa there. Vow of silence?
That's why they asked me to leave.
I hope it's not a sore subject, but you mind explaining why y'all went quiet in the first place?
It's a long story.
You'd rather not talk about it?
No.
I understand.
I'd rather
Wow! Okay, this has to be somebody I know. I recognize that voice anywhere. I just can't... I recognize that voice actress, but I can't picture where.
La, la, la. The Kirin used to speak and sing. We weren't always quiet. We told stories and funny jokes. Most stand up was a riot. But then one day a fight broke out and hurtful words were said. Flaring tempers were inflamed. Destruction quickly spread. And flaming red from head to head, it even burnt our bread. Sorry, I forgot how much I love rhyming. Where was I? Oh, right. My happy village lay in ruins. Relationships got worse. Spoiler alert, we quickly learned that words could be a curse. No more talking, yelled our leader. The last thing said aloud. Into the stream of silence we stepped as a crowd. The water cooled emotions and peace was soon restored. But with no way to speak my thoughts, I got super bored. Seriously, there's only so long that Sudoku can keep you entertained. 'Cause
Wow.
rainbows won't light up the sky unless you let it rain. And shiny apples sometimes come with worms.
This is a good song.
Pure laughter,
Oh, that's...
scared of a little pain. It's a lesson that the Kirin never learned. I was stuck in silent prison with the voices in my head. Till I tripped over my salvation in a helpful flower bed. I found a cure to clear my pipes, and I've just spoke variety reviews. Or the story about the Kirin who hid below an opera stage and fell in love with this opera singer, and he wore a freaky half mask thing, and he played the organ a lot and got all broody because the singer was in love with another dude, so he took her away on this underground gondola.
Wow, this is a lot to process, man. I'm sorry I'm not talking much. I'm just trying to really pay attention.
I mean, who doesn't love musical theater?
I do.
The leader made it clear I had to make my choice. I could stay and live with them, or I could keep my voice. So I came here but left the couch alone. They're hard to move, with just the view for company, until you heard me groove. Take it away, boys. 'Cause
What?
rainbows won't light up the sky unless you let it rain, and candles just won't glow until they're burned. No, you can't give up your laughter 'cause you're scared of a little pain. It's a lesson that my village never learned.
Wow, that's a nice house, dude.
How hard I schooled them, fear of hurt is still what ruled them. Sometimes you gotta let it rain. Yeah, sometimes you've gotta let it rain.
Wow.
Oh, I can't believe it. No pony should give up feeling their feelings just to keep from getting angry.
That's what I said. Well, you know, when I started talking again.
I bet this here's the problem that Fluttershy and I came to help y'all with.
Really? Who's Fluttershy?
Oh, did you name your shadow? Mine's called
No.
Silhouette Gloom of the Sundown Lands.
What?
Right. Well,
Sl-
I'm thinking if we just go talk to the
Slow down a bit.
we can get him to welcome you back proper like. Maybe even convince him to take your cure.
Oh, yes, of course. Oh, just one small thing. The antidote for my anecdote, it's gone.
There's no cure left?
I used the last of the false breath flowers to make it, and I haven't seen them bloom since.
Well, this wouldn't be a friendship quest if it was easy.
Fair enough.
Start by getting your friends to welcome you back.
You know, between you and me, I'm not sure she's gonna convince them.
Nope.
But I hope she does.
Wow. She spent so long alone that she probably is losing her mind. Most likely.
Fluttershy, guess what? I figured out the friendship problem. Me too. Go ahead. Bet that's a problem the Kirin never have.
No.
Anyhow, we gotta get them all talking again.
Oh, no. We can't ever let that happen.
I thought you said you figured out the friendship problem. Was something lost in translation?
The Kirin are usually peaceful and kind, but when they get mad, they turn into Nerics, creatures made of fire and vengeance.
That seemed less scary when it was in a song.
The last time they all argued, they got so angry, they accidentally destroyed their whole village. So the Kirin decided to make sure it would never happen again.
But that's no reason to stop talking.
Yes, it is. Fire is dangerous, especially in a forest like this. Think of all the animals it could hurt.
Not if they don't turn into fire-breathing Neric in the first place.
And how can you be sure that won't happen?
There's gotta be a better way than giving up all your feelings.
Applejack, you're not listening!
'Cause you're not talking any sense.
What are they doing? Hey! Maybe
Oh,
they
the-
were worried because we were arguing with each other.
Ah, shucks. We were just having a normal civil disagreement. Honest.
Where are they taking us?
The forest where...
To the stream of silence. If we hit that water, we'll never be able to talk or feel anything ever again.
No! Do not put them in there. Do not put them in there.
It's all right. I think I know this one, and she's trying to help.
Well, yeah. Can't have them silence the only friend who will speak to me.
She talks?
You have no idea.
What?
Fluttershy, meet Autumn Blaze.
Autumn Blaze, that's her name. Okay.
Well, thank you for that, wall of fire, but I thought Neeriks were dangerous when they're angry. How did you know you could control your temper?
I didn't. I guess anger's like other feelings. It's not about having them, it's what you do with them.
And giving up happiness to keep away anger is no kind of life.
Yeah.
I thought of it that way. I can't imagine not being able to talk to my animal friends.
Fern Flare, you used to love to laugh at everything. And Rainshine, you sung the most beautiful harmonies. Don't you miss it?
I know you're worried about fighting, but friends can disagree without causing a ruckus.
Every pony gets mad sometimes. Even Applejack and I argue.
What? When do we ever argue?
On the way here.
Yeah, about 15 seconds ago.
And about the Kirin being silent.
Yeah.
And right now!
Yeah.
We don't always see eye to eye, but we never let
Yeah.
that get in the way of our friendship.
And if you're really angry, then take some time away to be a Neerik where it won't hurt any pony.
I think they're trying to say something.
Okay, are you hungry? Oh no, some Kirin trapped in a well? Okay.
What?
Baby fish. Baby fish mouth?
Oh boy, nothing like a good old game of charades.
Something? Anything? Just write it down! Ugh, this is making me furious.
Would you excuse me? I'll be right back. You were saying?
That's one way to control your temper.
Oh! You want the cure for the stream of silence!
The only problem is...
Wonderful! Isn't it?
The only problem is we don't have it.
Except there aren't any flowers left to make
Yeah.
the cure.
Are you sure?
Oh, beyond sure. Believe me, I've had a lot of alone time lately. I searched the entire forest 73.5 times.
Wow.
I wonder if that second half could make a difference.
I wish she'd told us what kind of flowers she's looking for.
They're called foal's breath.
I've never heard of that.
Hey, little squirrel.
Fluttershy, a little help.
He says he knows where to find fool's breath.
You do?
What are we waiting for? Lead the way!
Oh! That's what Fluttershy was using in the beginning.
That's what fool's breath looks like?
Autumn Blaze never would have made it past the peaks to search here. I owe you an apology.
Why?
'Cause if your kindness hadn't made you stop to help the squirrels,
Yeah.
I would have found this here flower.
Yeah.
If your honesty hadn't convinced the Kirin to talk, we wouldn't need to find it.
Yep.
Guess
Yep.
it's a good thing the map sent both of us, huh?
You better believe it, bro. Alright.
You found them? Where were they? Tell me everything and feel free to add complicated descriptions and comedic tangents.
Maybe later.
Oh, right.
Maybe later.
First.
Autumn Blaze. Maybe later, Autumn. Drink! Drink, my beauties!
Autumn Blaze, you have given us a gift. The realization that anger is within us, but it is our choice how we let it out. We would very much like it if you came back to live with us. I can't say how much we've missed your beautiful voice.
'Cause rainbows won't light up the sky unless you let it rain. And candles just won't glow until they're burned.
Wow.
You can't give up your laughter 'cause you're scared of a little pain. It's a lesson that my village never learned. Oh yes, 'cause rainbows won't light up the sky unless you let it rain.
Your job is done, my friends. Your job is done. Okay, who did Autumn Blaze? I want to see, because I may know who that. Hold on. Ashley Ball, Kirin, what? Rachel Bloom? Rachel Bloom. That must be a singer. That has to be a singer I know. Rachel Bloom. Huh. Ashley Ball. Huh. That's a good singer right there. That was really good. Anyway, on that note, I'm off to the outro bit for this one. I'll see you guys there. Alright? See you there. Alright guys, that was Sound of Silence, and that was a really great episode. Autumn Blaze is a really cool character, as well as the Kira, and I think that is really cool. That's really cool that Applejack and Fluttershy got to help characters like that. And that had a really good lesson. That had a really good lesson about controlling your emotions and being able to choose how they affect you. Like, I've talked about this with friends. Any emotion that you feel really comes from yourself. Whether it's depression, anxiety, happiness, rage, any emotion that you feel really can come from yourself. But it is your decision on how it affects you or not. And I think that learning how to control my emotions is one of the greatest things I ever learned. Because I used to be a very angry person. I used to be someone very quick to be agitated and very quick to anger, but now I'm better able to control my emotions and better able to manage how my brain processes my emotions. So that's a really good lesson. I think everybody should learn, not just kids, not just teens, but everybody should learn how to control their emotions, because a lot of adults nowadays are jerks. A lot of adults nowadays are jerks. And I think that if everyone just treated everyone with kindness and generosity, the world would be a completely different place. But, yeah. Anyway, on that note, I want to thank everybody so much for watching, and remember, you're not just fanatics, you're fantastic. Have a great day, guys, and I will see you all next time. See ya.